to the ocean. Here at our lagoon, we do not allow snorkeling or swimming due to our water activities such as into lagoon pools, kayaking, and snorkeling. So that do means it's a pretty graded area. We have lemon sharks, reef sharks, tiger sharks, salmon, Iceland sharks. We have turtle, conch squids, jellyfishes, stingrays, anything you can think of, all right here in our lagoon. This lagoon is also called Half Moon Key Indoor. So that do means we have a seaplane that lands right here, just in case of emergencies or if one of the bigger bosses wants to come in. We also have a helipad for the same purposes. So now we're going to be hiking up to the highest point on the island, which is 60 feet above sea level. Follow.
This step go all the way? Really? It's nice, huh?
Hi. This is coral rock right here.
This is limestone coral.
Mm-hmm.
I'm guessing you know what it is.
Hmm?
I'm guessing you know what a limestone coral is.
Yeah, yeah.
So here on the island, we have five different species of birds. We have our Bahama mockingbird, banana quint, yellow-throat vireo, white-crowned pigeon dove. We have three types of lizards. We have